Are you going to talk today? What are you going to say? Here comes your brother. Be nice, Thomas.
Take pictures of me and Joey.
I am. It's a movie. Don't do that to her leg, please.
I'm holding her.
I know, but she wants to move around. Let her move around. That's why she's on the floor.
I'm gonna read a book to her.
You want to read a book to her? Go get a book.
I'm gonna go read a book to her.
Okay. Are you going to say anything, huh? Oh. Where are you bringing your leg?